Do you want me to go first? Stay closer to this side. This way. Keep going. Pizzas. Good work. Bend your knees. Oh, it's so close to not falling. Good work. Good, good. Now turn. There you go. Keep going. Good work. Pizza, pizza. Okay, use your pizzas and go on the left side of that guy. Nope, the other way. There you go. There you go. You can go French fry a little bit. This way.
That's it. Use your phone. Use your spoon.
Pizza, pizza. Good. Now can you go that way? Keep going that way. Keep going that way. There you go. There you go. Good work. Hey, Jack. Jack, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Can you turn? Can you turn the other way? There you go. How's it going? Keep coming this way. Okay, now go all the way around me and turn. Good work, keep going. Go, 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 don't stop. You stopped.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can. Now go this way, remember? And then you're going to turn again before that tree. Okay, go. There you go. Lean forward. You can go faster than that. Point yourself down. Point yourself down and then turn. Like this. See? Point yourself down. And then turn. Do French fries. French fries, French fries. That's pizza. Do French fries. Yeah, you can. Go fast. French fries, there you go. Now you're doing pizza and then you turn. Do it again. French fries, down. Down the hill, down the hill. Yep, French fries, down the hill. Put your feet together. Put your feet together. There you go. Whoa. Nice. You did do it. That's okay. Put your, yeah, get your other foot, that one. There you go. Nope, sit. There you go. You're okay. Okay, French fry that way. Go down a little bit further. Can you do a pizza turn? Good work. Now do French fries. Keep going, keep going. Don't stop when you turn. Keep going. Do French fries. Go faster. Go down the hill, not sideways. Go down the hill. There you go. How'd you stop?
I was afraid to fall.
Oh, you're not gonna fall. Put your feet closer together. Good work. Keep going that way. Can you turn right? That's left. There you go.
Back there.
All right, can you do pizza turn? Awesome. Can you keep going? Yeah. Okay. Don't hit any trees. Feet closer together. Pizza, pizza! Oy vey. Jackson, pizza! What the what? How fast did you go?
So fast.
I couldn't even catch up with you.